Alright, so basically today we're doing exotic baby hairs on natural hair, period. Alright, so before I start doing my baby hairs, I like to wet my baby hairs. Alright, so boom. First, we're going to pull the baby hairs out. Y'all already know the drill. If you don't have baby hairs, girl, pull you down some adult hairs, cut them, and make them baby hairs, okay? It's okay. Ain't nobody gonna know. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's okay. Alright, so boom. We got all our baby hairs pulled down. Now I'm about to wet my baby hairs. Because when you wet your baby hairs, let me just do it, then I'm gonna tell y'all. Hold on. So yeah. I like to wet my baby hairs before I lay them down, and that's just because I don't know, like when you wet your baby hairs, it makes your baby hairs last like all day. It just do. I like to take my gel, put it right on. You don't have to put it on all of your baby hair. I just like to put it on the root of the baby hair. You feel me? Boom. So let me separate that. I like to put it on the root just like that. And then I'll take my brush. Okay, this is the fun part. All right. So, boom. I like to swoop. Hold on. I brush it down. And then I swoop it. So, I swoop it. And I hold my finger there. Just like that. And then I kind of bring it over like this. And then bring this side and curl it. Hold on. This side need more gel. Okay. Just like that. Hold my finger there and just curl it, girl. Okay. So hold on. It take me a little minute sometimes to get this swoop how I want it. But y'all get the point, okay? I like to swoop her. And you just fix it how you want to fix it. If it ain't swooping how you want it to swoop. And that's the first baby hair. Okay, we're just gonna act like I wet my baby hair right here because I don't feel like getting up to wet it. So boom, it is what it is. I like to take the sideburn. Oh shit, what the fuck is going on? I like to take the sideburn and just swoop this. So boom, that's that side. And now, oh, I need to wet these over here. Hold on. Now we on this side. I'm gonna do the top one, but now we on this side. I'm gonna take a little gel, put it on the root of the baby hair. I don't like to put it all over the baby hairs because I feel like it makes it too it's like too much product. You feel what I'm saying? So I just put it on the roots. It makes it easier to brush it down. Okay, we're gonna start at the top first. We're gonna swoop her like that. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. Alright, so boom. That's the first part, and then we're gonna take this part and swoop it, curl it forward. I need some more gel for this part. Boom. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing because I'm like really into it, and I forgot I was recording. I feel like my baby hairs are never like the same. They never look the same. So I really don't be stressing it. I just make it do what it do and then go about my business when it's done. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, they're gonna look different, but don't get out my business, okay? I was just so silent. I cannot talk. I really cannot talk when I'm doing my baby hairs. I just realized that. Sideburn, I'm just putting a little bit of gel on the roots. Y'all know. Y'all already know. And then take it. Boom, boom, boom. Holding your finger right there really is the key. Like, hold your finger right there, baby. That's gonna help that swoop. You feel me? It's really gonna help that swoop. So that's that one. The side swoops are the easiest for me. I'm about to do the top. So I'm just gonna swoop this one. I kind of used, I gotta pull some of that out. Okay. We're basically doing the same thing we did to the sides. I'm gonna swoop it this way. And then I'm gonna take it. Hold my finger. And I like to put like a little swoop on my forehead, like a little curl. My baby hairs usually last all day because I wet it first. Then I put the gel and then swoop it. All that mixed together all that mixed together will make your baby hairs lay down. Just make sure you wet your hair before you put the gel on, and baby, the baby hair is gonna be stuck all day, okay? But this is basically how I do my baby hairs. Okay, and I get a lot of compliments on my baby hairs. Like I told y'all, you ain't gotta wear no lace to get some cute exotic baby hairs, okay? And if you don't have baby hairs, all you gotta do is pull down some adult hairs, cut them things, swoop them. Ain't nobody gonna know nothing, okay? I'm telling you. We are done, ready to go, looking cute and exotic and foreign, okay? Really cute. It's giving. I just threw my hair up into these buns too, so if they uneven, don't talk about me, okay? Mind your business, okay? But yeah, I love my baby hairs. Okay, natural hair game, strong, period. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe to my motherfucking channel, of course. Like, what you doing? And I'll see y'all in my next video.